Boys,
Yes, ma'am.
you remember how I told you guys you got a sponsorship? Someone sent you guys a toy.
Yay!
Awesome.
I know that, but in this place.
Yay.
Bite the pencil. It's a bite the pencil. Do the ABC, say S. And the 1, 2, 3 S. Bite the pencil. It's a bite the pencil. Set the cell. It's a Blake and Dinosaur. My name is Blake. My name is Ben. Today we're about to open up our new toy. Well, in here, maybe Dinosaur. Let's see. Man, Dinosaur is Owie Ring. Look at that. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, go! Dinosaurs! Guys, no, it didn't. Whoa. Look at this, guys. You can paint like dinosaurs. Right? Painting. Wow. Now 2 paintbrushes. Look, bro. Oh, for the painting. Wow. Wow. I got these. Look at that. A dinosaur. A dinosaur map. No, actually, this is for the dinosaurs. This is the carpet for dinosaurs. Oh, you for sending us. Purchase this toy to put the link below. Here, Ben. They got us some 2 print box. Even when we are done, we can put this dinosaurs inside here. So let's start painting. All of these people? That's at the end. Guys, this is at the end. Guys, we just opened up these toys. Yeah. And what you think about these, guys? I love it though because if they give us the toys, even comes with this basket. Ooh, the bad guy. Oh, look at that. Look at these trees. The mountains. Ooh, not these. There you go. One stand up. No. Oh, guys, there's eggs. Baby eggs. A dinosaur sit on it. What's dinosaur? It's alright. Yeah, I am. Look at these rocks. Where's this guy go? It's on the ocean. You can put wherever you want to put it, bro. I don't see. And you can put wherever you want to put it. Where's it go? Wherever you want to put it, bro. Mommy, you say we didn't pay rent. Dinosaur eats. Yay! Hooray, guys! We Pity guy. Right here. Now, guys, we're going to paint our dinosaurs. Hi, my breath. In my not bad.
Awesome.
What did dinosaurs? This, come on.
Out of 1 to 5 stars, what would you guys rate this? 1 being not good, 5 being awesome, and then 4 being okay.
5 being awesome.
Yay! This is a 5 rated.
Awesome. Y'all can buy this on Amazon. We love dinosaurs. Yeah. This me. I don't like rainbow dinosaurs. I don't like rainbow stuff too. There's the rainbow stuff don't die. No. Never Saturn. No.
Be careful, Ben. You're about to get your leg. Blake, what are you painting?
I'm painting green. Now it will be right.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome, Ben.
Here,
Cool, wait.
Oh, that is so cool. My mind's so tight. Yours is cool too, bro. Yeah.
Yeah, yours is awesome. Both of you guys is awesome.
Bye.
Yours is cool. You have a whole nother side you can paint if you want to. On the other side. Yep.
Oh, yeah,
Are you done?
No, not yet.
Okay. Cool.
How I do? Oh, I need to turn around. I will paint. Come on.
Be careful, baby. So you don't drop it.
I toss it.
There you go.
That's so funny. You stop. Ooh, girl. Oopsies. Dang, mine. Ah. I turn him on the egg. I'm red. Hey guys, we're still painting our dinosaurs. I threw the red on all time, sorry. A little hole.
Mm-hmm.
How do you make that white versus black and thin? What?
Nope, it's the back. He's painting the back.
Oh.
Awesome.
Boom, 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 boom. Stein.
What do you guys think
Nice.
about this map that came with it? Isn't this awesome?
Yeah, man. I didn't know that's like Jurassic World, guys.
Yes, it is. Jurassic Park and Jurassic World.
I didn't know why the bossy did them on that.
Yeah, so you can play on it like this. Like,
Oh,
super cool. Come on. Hey, Mr. Dinosaur. What are you doing? Let's go for lunch today.
hey guys, we are done painting now. Let's wash our hands and then get ready. Let's check this. Dad, so blue is not hot buns. Oh man.
Awesome. Look at Ben's dinosaur. Okay, tell us about you guys' dinosaur. Ben, you tell us about yours first. What made you paint those colors?
I love rainbow so much that I paint all these colors
Cool.
and mix up today.
Awesome. It looks good. Okay, what about you, Blake?
That's why I'm draw because I make it rainbow, like the same thing like Ben. Stegosaurus. This is the tail is green, and this is yellow, and then a dot bone here. This is red, and then this.
And what kind of dinosaur did you say it was?
Stegosaurus.
Ooh, good job.
And this is his blue feet, and then this is the yellow head. Then this is the purple body. Oh no, dinosaur! Yeah. I'm T-Rex. I didn't feed you. Guys, look at our back. A very giant. Ooh, let's open this. Yay! A new element. There's all our little ones. Look at that! Look at that little Stegosaurus. This is way bigger.
Super cool.
Ooh! Look at these eggs. They're like yummy eggs. Look at this. T-Rex! Roar! That's all me! And me. We best friends. We're going out. That swimming dinosaur. A volcano? He'll be on the volcano one.
Awesome.
It's exploding! Everyone get safe! Go, go, go! Go, 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 go! We're go, go, go! Go, go, go! Let's go, go, go! Let's go, go, go! Let's go to the volcano. Let's go, go, go! I can go to the volcano team. Let's go, go, go! I bumped your head open, little boy. Let's go, go, go! Watch out! Watch out, T-Rex! Oh! Hi. Oh, let me go. Hey guys, next is the dinosaur. His body, his tail. Yeah! I'm so strong. No, you're not. Roar! Yeah. Log. Everyone, it's back home. Everyone. Guys, I love this tool. All these tools. Sonic. Thank you, HISTOYE, for sending us this. They do toy for sending us this. For watching us play this dinosaur. Yeah, come back at the Blake and Ben show. Yeah, come back nice to Blake and Ben. It's a Blake and Ben show. Check us out. Bye bye. Bye bye, Andy. See you next. Bye bye. About the pencil. It's about the pencil. Do the ABCs, the F, and the 1, 2, 3 S. It's the pencil. It's about the pencil. Check us out.